This is DJI Neo to Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can change the speed mode on this drone. So in order to do that, look at your remote controller and specifically look for this triway switch. Now the speed is set to the sine mode, now to normal, and now to sport. The difference is that sport is the fastest, normal is, well, average, and sine mode is the most, it's the slowest of the bunch, but also the safest. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.